Hello everyone. Now we are going to learn perhaps the most fundamental concept universally applicable in marketing. That means that it is applicable in digital marketing as well as in traditional marketing. And that concept is called purchase funnel. Now you ask, what is a purchase funnel? Purchase funnel is fundamentally the way in which a consumer decides to buy your product. Purchase funnel is a universally applicable concept. Right from a 2-year-old to a 99-year-old is constantly optimizing their own purchase funnels. What? Are you serious? 100% I am serious. For example, when you looked at digital marketing courses on the internet, I am sure you looked at tons of different courses and then you chose this one. There must have been some logic, some creativity, some decision making that you did as a consumer to buy this course, right? That's exactly is the journey that every consumer takes before he or she buys some particular product or a course or content or a service. Fundamentally, purchase funnel is the consumer's journey of how the consumer decides to buy a particular product or service. Let's deep dive and understand the basics of purchase funnel. For this, you will require 3 things. Take a pen, take a paper, and start thinking like a consumer would think. I hope you are loving this course from Programming Hub. Keep learning and keep sharing. To learn more from us, hit on the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you get the latest updates from Programming Hub.